Hey, are you doing some more working out?
Workout, ready? Last time we do push-ups. Okay, push-ups. Let's do 10 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you done?
What other kind of workout do you do?
We do sit-ups. Want to do sit-ups? Roll over.
Let's see your sit-ups.
Sit-ups. Ready?
I haven't heard the ultimate yet.
Lay on your back.
Oh, wow, that's a good one.
That's a good one. Roll on your back. Too loud. Too loud. It's too loud.
Hey, where are your sit-ups?
Wait, he has to go push the button again.
He hasn't figured out push-ups. That's the first time I've seen him do push-ups.
It's too loud.
This is the first time he's asked to work out.
Hey, what about your push-ups?